Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading The Baker by the Sea by Paula White. Please enjoy. The Baker by the Sea. If you keep walking over the hills and across the fields, you will come to the edge where the land meets the sea. And on the edge where the beach begins lies a village. This is my home, our beach village by the sea. We have fish merch, smokers that smoke the fish, blacksmiths and basket makers, butchers, bakers. There are cozy cabs and teeny shops that sell everything you might need. Everyone works by the sea. The sail makers make sails with the boat builders build and mend the boats so that the fishermen could go to sea. The net makers make nets and rope makers make ropes so the fishermen could catch the fish. The choppers make the barrels for pickling, and the Scotch fisher girls prepare, pack, and pickle the fish. The sea is the beating heart of all we do. As the sun sets slowly behind the cliff, weary workers make their way home, and the village begins to rest. And at night, while the fishermen are fishing, the village lies sleeping, gently soothed by the rhythm of the sea. In the quiet, I think of the hard-working people still outside in the cold and rain. When I am older, I'm going to be a fisherman. I will brave the waves and windy weather and catch the finest and the freshest fish for the people of the village by the sea. On the boat, we will work together, handle hosting and waving the ropes, ready for our biggest catch. When the winds begin to whistle, the sky turns icky black, and the waves as tall as houses come crashing down. We will know what to do. For we old fishermen, we bold fishermen can battle any storm. And when we head for home, as the sea starts to calm and the heavy blanket of fog rolls in, we will search for the bright white light high on the cliff and listen for the bellow of the foghorn. We will steer safely home to our village where the land meets the sea. My father is not a fisherman. He is the baker. Every day before the sun rises and the boats come in, he is safe and warm inside, busily baking. The comfort ammonia of fresh bread welcomes a new day. He bakes bread, buns, and biscuits. He bakes baskets of bread for Bab's Corner Cat, where Bab makes the best bacon, butters the boat builder's favorite. He delivers bags of piping hot buns for the tough Scotch fisher girls. He sells boxes of biscuits for the brave fishermen that take to sea. Sometimes I help my father, and as the glow from the oven keeps us toasty and warm, I think of all the people working outside in the wet and windy weather. I wonder if my father could have made barrels or built boats. Why did he choose to just be a baker? And I ask him, have you ever been to sea? Yes, he replies. When I was a boy, I tried it once, even twice, and I knew it wasn't for me. He pats his apron, and a flowery cloud fills the air. I see his pride shine through. I become a baker's son. It's what I wanted to do. Just imagine if there were no bread, buns, or biscuits. What would the boat builders do if Babs served breadless bacon butties at the Corner Cat? Or if the Scotch fisher girls out in the open in the bitter cold didn't get the piping hot buns that warmed their nibbling fingers, the fish would pile up with no room for more. And what would happen to the fishermen who fish until dawn without their biscuits dipped in hot broth and dunked in their teas? They would be too cold and hungry to catch the fish out in the dangerous sea. But everyone has had their fill today, their bellies warm inside, and with the boat's safety home, The harbor comes to life, busy and bustling, with lifting and ludging as the fishermen unload the priceless catch. As the morning sun climbs higher in the sky, a tired fisherman stops by. He looks at my father and then shares a weary smile. Then, without a word, he passes my father the finest, fattest fish with a thankful glint in his eye. I look at my father and feel proud, for without the bread, bones, biscuits that he busily bakes before the sun rises, the people of the village could not go on as they do. When I'm older, I'm going to be the baker in the village by the sea, for everyone works hard here, everyone including me. Well, I guess the boy is going to become a baker by the sea. Well, what have you always dreamed that you're going to be doing? And please follow your dreams, because you could become someone. Who knows? Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Share it. If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my book readings I got? I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one. Take care, everybody. And thanks for watching.